Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today let us discuss what are the myths and facts that circulating around hair transplant and what you should know before going to the procedure. So main myth about hair transplant is it gives instant results. No, fact is that no hair transplant gives instant result. It takes about 2 to 3 months for partial results, and also it takes 9 to 12 months approximately to give full results. And also you face shedding phase between 2 to 3 months, which is called shock loss. So next common myth is whether hair transplant is not permanent. No, hair transplant is permanent because we use hair follicles from donor area which doesn't act DHT receptors. So we take grafts from backside of your scalp which doesn't has DHT hormone in it. So your results are long lasting and natural. So next myth is transplanted hair looks unnatural. Fact is that nowadays we has many modern techniques like DHI and FUE, and by using these modern techniques we can get natural looking hair. And also it depends upon experienced or skilled surgeon, and also before selecting the clinic go for their reviews, before and after results pics, and by doing all this before going to surgery you can have natural results. So most common misunderstanding that circulate around hair transplant is after surgery there is no need of care, that is post operative care. So this is completely wrong. The fact is we have to maintain few precautions post operation, like avoid sweating, avoid too much of touching of transplanted area, donor area, and also avoid overexposure to dust and sunlight. By maintaining all these measures for at least 7 days, you can have natural and healthy donor as well as natural results. And most of the people think that transplantation is only for men. So this is completely wrong. Women can also opt for transplantation who has receding hairline, traction alopecia, and also genetical thinning. In these all these conditions, women can go for transplantation. And most of the people think that transplanted hair is unnatural, looks artificial like wigs. So this completely wrong. It depends upon experiences, skill surgeon, and also what technique you are using. Nowadays we have many modern techniques like DHI, FUE, Sapphire, Biosapphire. So by using these techniques you can get natural looking results with density. And there is a myth we can't cut our hair after transplantation. So this is completely wrong. You can cut your hair, shave your hair, or trim your hair, or you can even go for dyeing or coloring of your hair. Any styling you can do after your transplantation. You can treat this transplanted hair as a natural hair. And many of you think that transplanted procedure is very painful. So this is completely wrong. Transplanted hair procedure doesn't has any pain. There is a minimal discomfort before and after surgery, which is not significant as pain. So these are the few myths and facts about hair transplantation. So before opting transplantation, go for the clinical experience of the clinic and check their reviews and before after pics of transplanted results. And this is the safest surgery and painless surgery, and also it depends upon your healthy lifestyle also. First of all, you need to maintain few precautions that I mentioned above. Scalp hygiene is very important for sustainable results. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.